Hello again, everybody. It's James here. Many of you might not know that I'm originally a picture restorer and studied in Ireland under my father and in the National Gallery of Ireland. I bought this portrait some 20 years ago. I believe it to be George IV, around 1820 to 1830, possibly English. The portrait is of a young male, probably in his late 20s. This long hair and this double button jacket that he's wearing with the high collar is common to that period. This is a small portrait, and I believe it might be a self-portrait. It has a very nice wooden frame, possibly rosewood, with a lovely gilt surround. Now it's loose in the frame, but over the next few days what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this picture out and I'm going to show you how I remove the layers of grime on this picture. There's many layers of turf smoke, probably cigarette smoke over the years. It's a small piece of particle millboard. I've looked at it under magnifying glass for several hours over the years. Can't find who the sitter is, but it does have an intensity to it, which I believe could be a self-portrait. I will now start to commence to clean this picture over the next few episodes, and I hope you can like, subscribe, and tune back in. I'd very much like you to see how this will be transformed and become what it originally was painted to be, a self-portrait, I think, perhaps. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Like and subscribe. Thank you.